This video showcases industrial-scale shoe pastry production using automated conveyor ovens. Hundreds of cream puffs move smoothly along the production line after baking. Each pastry displays a uniform golden brown color and consistent rise, reflecting precise process control. After cooling, the shoe pastries are ready to proceed to the next stage of production and packaging. This video presents an automated production line for making strawberry shortcake, likely from a factory in Japan. Each cake slice moves neatly along the conveyor, demonstrating high efficiency and precision. Machines apply whipped cream evenly over soft vanilla sponge layers. Fresh strawberries are added with consistent standards to maintain both quality and visual appeal. The cakes are then prepared for packaging, reflecting high-quality, industrial-scale dessert production. Industrial production of chocolate-coated ice cream bars begins with the molding stage. The ice cream is formed in precision molds and rapidly frozen to produce uniform bars. Once fully frozen, wooden sticks are inserted automatically, and the ice cream bars are released from molds. The frozen bars are then transported by an automated conveyor system to the chocolate coating line. Each bar is carefully dipped into a large tank of warm, liquid chocolate. As the chocolate comes into contact with the cold ice cream surface, it instantly hardens, forming a smooth and even coating. After the coating process, the ice cream continues along the conveyor for packaging and storage in ultra-low temperature freezers, ensuring the final product maintains consistent quality, texture, and durability. This video shows an automated industrial donut frying process. Raw donuts move along the conveyor into hot oil, where they expand and cook evenly. An automated system ensures consistent frying. After frying, the donuts are evenly coated with liquid sugar glaze before cooling and packaging. This is how instant noodles are produced in a modern factory. Neatly formed noodle portions move smoothly along automated conveyor belts. Precision machines place each portion into molds with the same exact size. Every step is carefully controlled to ensure consistent quality. The noodles are processed evenly using high-speed industrial systems. With no direct human contact, the process remains efficient and hygienic. As a result, thousands of noodle portions are produced every hour, ready for the next stage before packaging. Macadamia nuts begin their journey from carefully harvested shells to premium quality kernels through a modern industrial process. At the factory, the nuts are first cleaned and sorted to remove impurities. Next, advanced cracking machines gently break the hard shells without damaging the delicate kernels inside. The macadamias are then dried to achieve the perfect texture and flavor. Finally, quality control systems inspect each nut before packaging, ensuring only the finest macadamia nuts reach consumers around the world.